Among do something like this is possible for dashboard. Uh, GM parts ને accessories નો Power BI dashboard में बनाए तो um, uh, yearly sales breakdown આપે છે different channels through dealer sites, uh, brand size like gm.com, buick.com, like that. પછી drill down કરીશ તો month wise આપે છે breakdown. ફરીથી drill down કરીશ તો week wise આપે છે અને ફરીથી drill down કરીશ તો day wise આપે છે અને you can even drill down on one particular year and one particular month. Right clicking, you can see all the weeks for that month. Right click, drill down again, you can see all the days for that month. I'll share you Power BI files તને share કરું છું. You can download Power BI desktop and you can see it. Otherwise, you can create powerbi.com account and I'll share me your login ID and શેર કરીશ તો તને ઓનલાઈન પણ દેખાશે. આખું ડેશબોર્ડ બનાવ્યું હતું એમાં select Buick, just select Buick and based on that all the different other charts also change breakdown, revenue by year, revenue by make, by model અને અહીંયા પણ year and select that, can change the order date, you can select the models, based on selection everything changes in all other places. See if you can do something like that. Some ideas, just giving you some ideas.